Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku, classic Sudoku on our channel. Now this Sudoku has been constructed by Score and it was just recently made by him. So I really thank the author for giving us an opportunity to cover a video on our channel. And this particular classic Sudoku I just solved an hour ago, and it was a really an excellent solve path. It has actually a really excellent solve path, a really different kind of logic, and which I confirmed to the author, and I got some other logic from him actually. So the logic by the author's intended logic is purely interesting and excellent logic, I would say, a really interesting one. So I thought of covering a video on this one. So before going to the video, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to this Sudoku. So classic Sudoku rules apply. You need to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and 3 into 3 box without repetition. And with that we'll start solving this Sudoku. So before coming on to what the logic we are using in this Sudoku, I would just try to solve this Sudoku by basic techniques, classic Sudoku techniques, where we get a 9 here because of the 9 here and 9 here, and you get an 8 here, right? And this gives you a 4 and this gives you a 5. So these are the only digits that you can achieve by classic Sudoku rules, and these are the only 4 digits that you can get right now. And you get a 2 3 pair here, 1 2 8 and 9, right? So let us write that 1 2 8 and 9. In this Sudoku I won't use the corner pencil marks for now, because the logic that will be seeing in this Sudoku would require only the candidates to be placed in each and every cell, right? So right now we'll do that. We'll place candidates in each and every cell, and let's see what we get here, right? So you get a 3 in one of these 3 cells, and you get a 2 in one of these 3 cells, right? So we'll try to place the candidates here first. You see here 1 2 3 7 and 8, right? So we'll write 1 2 3 7 and 8. You cannot have a 2 here and 8 here. You cannot have an 8 here. Cannot have a 3 here as well. 2 and 3 is not possible here. Okay, here 1 2 3 7 and 8, everything will be here, right? Okay, and I'm sorry, I'm just getting a phone call. Okay, next we'll see this column now. We need 1 2 3 4 and 9, right? So let us write that. I'll remove the 3 from here for now. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 and 9. You cannot get a 3 and 9 here. You cannot get a 9 here. You cannot have a 3. Yeah, and okay, everything else is done. Let's see what else we can get here. You have seeing this column, you need 2 3 4 6 and 8. 8 cannot be here. 2 and 6, 3 and 4 would have to be here. 2 4 8 3 and 6. 3 8 2 4 6. 3 6 2 4 and 8. 4 2 3 6 and 8, right? We have placed here. Let's see this column now. 2 3 5 7 and 9. 9 cannot be here. 3 cannot be here. 2 7 and 5. 2 and 7. 7 also cannot be here. 2 3 5 7 and 9, right? 2 9 3 5 7. 3 5 9 2 7. 2 3 5 7 and 9. 5 2 3 7 and 9, right? Okay, we have done that as well. Okay, 7 cannot be here. 7 would have to be in one of these 3 cells. So nothing with the 7 here. You have 2 6 4 and 7. So 1 3 5 8 and 9. So this would have to be 1 3 5 1 5 8 and 9. 1 3 5 8 and 9, right? And let's see anything else. Okay. Okay, if you see this column now, both 4 and 6 would have to be here in this row. I am sorry, if you see this row, both 4 and 6 would have to be in this row. So now you get 1, 2, 3 and 5. Right, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So 2, 3, this would have to be 1, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 5, and 1, 2 and 3. You get 1, 2, 3, 5 quadruplet here because of the 4, 6 hidden pair here. Let's see if we get something same here. Oh, you get 7 and 5 here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 5, right? 3, no, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 1, 2, 6, right? 3, 6, 1 and 2, and this would have to be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now if you see this column, I am just placing all the possible candidates here because the logic that we are going to see is something really interesting, and I would highly recommend you to please watch the whole video for the excellent logic that Square has intended here. It is really an excellent one. So we'll go with this column now. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6, right? 2, 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, right? 5, 6, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 4 and 6, right? Now if you see here, 4 in this box cannot be in any of these 5 cells, right? Which means you have a pointing of 4 here, that eliminates 4 from this cell, and 1, 2 pair here now. So that eliminates 2 and 1 and 2 here. So this becomes 4, 8, 9 triplet here. This was one of the very good logic that I saw here. And if you see here, 5 in this box will have to be in one of these 2 cells only. So you can eliminate 5 from this cells as well. Okay. Hmm, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. You have a 2 here, so that won't be anything here. 8 and 9. Okay. Let's see this row. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Right? 3, 5, 1, 4, 7. 3, 1, 4, 5 and 7. Okay. And if you see here, there will be too many digits here. You cannot have 2 and 3. 2, 3, 5. So you'll have 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same way you cannot have 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you'll have all the digits here except 2 and 3. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Too many candidates here. But I'm just writing it because I really want to be perfect in what I see, the logic here. And I really don't want to miss anything from that logic. So you'll have here 1, 5, 7, 8 and 9. So 1, 3, 7, 8 and 9. Right? 3 also cannot be here. So 1, 7, 8 and 9, and you have only 3 cells left here. So it cannot be 3, 5, 7, 2. It will be 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So 1, 3, 6, 8 and 9. And here you can have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So we have marked all the possible candidates in the cells here. So while solving this Sudoku myself, I had to guess at one point, and then I realized that there is AIC, alternating interference chain, right? That is quite a complex one, but I will just let you know what I saw in this Sudoku was, if you see here, you have 1, 4, 5 and 1, 5, 6 here. What I saw at this point is, if you remove 4 and 6 from these cells, you have 1, 5 pair here, right? And if you see here 1, 2, 5, you will have 1, 5 pair here, and both of these cells will have to be 2. So which means that both 4 and 6 cannot simultaneously be in these cells, right? So if you remove 3 from this cell, or I'm sorry, if you have 3 in this cell, right? Oh, 2 and 4 cannot be here. So what I saw was, if you have 3 in this cell, you will have 4 and 6 in this cell. So let me show you what I saw here was, if I have 3 here, right, you will have 4 and 6 here. Both 4 and 6 will eliminate 4 and 6 from here, and you will have 1, 5 pair. So which means that if you have 1, 5 pair in these 2 cells, you'll have 2 in both of these two cells. 5 eliminates from this cell, 1 eliminates from this cell, and you'll have both in these cells as 2. An excellent piece of logic this was, but this was not the author's intended solve path. So in my solving, in what I saw was, you cannot have 3 here or 3 here, and 3 would have to be in one of these two cells. So that eliminates 3 from this cell and 3 from this cell, and you directly get a 1 here. That was the logic that I saw, and after seeing what author saw was totally different, guys. I would seriously say one of the excellent logics that I have seen, and I have never seen this kind of logic before. So if you see at this point now, I have marked the 7 cells here, right, and these 7 cells cannot have 2 same digits anywhere. Now what do we mean by it? Let me show you. If you have a 5 here, there is no other place you can have 5 in any of these 7 cells except this cell. So if I place a 5 here, all of these cells cannot have a 5. Of course, if you see it properly, 5 can only be in one of these 3 cells, 7 can only be in one of these 2 cells, 2 can only be in one of these 2 cells, 3 in these 2 cells, 4 in these 3, 6 in these 2, and 1 in these 3. So if you see a bit ahead, or maybe a bit in a narrow path, you can see that all of these 7 cells form the septuple, exactly 7 distinct digits. If you see properly, none of these 7 cells can have 2 same digits anywhere. It is not at all possible. You cannot place 2 same digits in these 7 cells. If you have a 6 here, none of these cells can have a 6 now. If you have a 5 here, none of these cells can have a 5. So if you have a 1 here, anywhere, you can take any cells, any candidates within these cells, you cannot place 2 same digits in any of these 7 cells. And now if you see that will help you eliminate that will actually help you eliminate many possibilities at many places. And if you see here now, 3 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. I am marking that in red here. 4 would have to be in one of these 3 cells, 5 in these 3 cells, 2 in these 2 cells, 7 in these 2 cells, 1 in these 3 cells, and 6 in these 2 cells. Right? This you cannot have a 2 here, of course, and a 6 here. So if you see now, that will actually eliminate 3 from all the other cells seeing these 2 cells, 4 from all the other cells seeing these 3 cells. And let us see now what happens if you don't have a 7 in one of these 2 cells. I'll just show you, and it is really easy to locate such a logic here. So what happens if you don't have a 7 in one of these 2 cells? You'll have a 2 here, you'll have a 5 here. That will eliminate 5 from these 2 cells, right? 7 is not there in this cell, right? If we eliminate 7 from this cell, what happens here we are seeing, right? So we'll eliminate 7 from this cell as well. You'll have a 1-4 pair, this becomes 6. And the moment this becomes 6 and this becomes 4, both of these becomes 3. Whatever you do the case, these 7 cells will always have to be distinct, and the numbers that we have placed will have to be those cells. And now if you see here, 2 will have to be in one of these 2 cells, you eliminate 2 from this cell. 7 would have to be in one of these 2 cells, so you eliminate 7 from this cell. I will just first eliminate all the possible things here. 7 gets eliminated from this cells as well. 2 gets eliminated from this cell as well, right? 7 is eliminated, 2 is eliminated. Next 5 is already eliminated from these 3 cells, right? Next is 1 from these 3 cells, so 1 gets eliminated from all of these cells. Next is 4 gets eliminated from here. Next is 3 gets eliminated from here and here. Next is 6 gets eliminated from these 2 cells. And okay, yeah, so we have eliminated 6, we have eliminated 3, we have eliminated 4, we have eliminated 5, 2, 1 and 7. Now if you see here, this cell would have to be a 1, this cell would have to be a 1, that eliminates 1 from this cell and 1 from this cell, right? And that eliminates 1 from both of these cells, that eliminates 1 from this cell. Okay, Okay, let us see. Okay, so 1 has to be in one of these two cells. Now that eliminates 1 from these two cells. This becomes a 2. This becomes a 1. Eliminates 1 from this cell. 1 from these cells. This 2 is there, right? This 2 will eliminate 2 from this cell. And that gives you a 5 here. Awesome. That eliminates 5 from this cell. You get a 3 7 pair. That gives you a 7 here. A 4 here. That gives you a 3 here. 6 here. Wow. That gives you a 1 5 pair here, right? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, where did I put the 2 here? Oh, so sorry. With the 5 here, I'm sorry. That gives eliminates 5 from this cell. You get 3 7. So this would have to be a 2, right? That eliminates 5 from both of these cells. You have 1 4 6 triplet here. Okay, so 7 would have to be in one of these two cells, right? So 7 has to be here now. That eliminates 7 from this cell, this cell. A 3 7 will eliminate 7 from all of these cells. 3 is also eliminated from here. What are we missing here now, guys? Okay, 1 in one of these two. Oh, so this has to be a 1. Sorry, this becomes a 6 because of the 1 here. That gives you a 3 here and a 4 here. Now if you see here, all of these green cells are excellently placed with a kind of an extra region Sudoku, right? So all of these cells are placed now, and this Sudoku becomes easy now. You can directly place a 2 here, a 6 here, a 3 here, a 2 here, a 6 here, a 3 here, and that actually solves this Sudoku, guys. Oh, what an excellent construction this is, I would say. Excellent construction. And eliminates 2 from this cell, so this becomes a 2. This eliminates 3 from here, so 4 9. This gives you an 8 here. That eliminates 8 from this cell. Okay, that gives you a 7 here, a 3 here, 2 3. This becomes a 9, a 7, a 8. Okay, this becomes a 2 here. So 2 is eliminated from these cells now. 2 is eliminated from these cells as well. So 2 would have to be here in this box. That eliminates 2 from here because of this 2. 6 is eliminated, so this becomes 4, this becomes 9, this becomes 4, this becomes 9. Wow, guys, what an excellent logic. That becomes a 9 here. You need to have 1 8 here in somewhere in these two boxes. So that eliminates 1 and 8 from here, 9 from here, so this becomes a 6. So 4 and 6 is eliminated from here, 9 is also eliminated from here. You have 1 8 pair here, and because of the 1 here, you have an 8 here and a 1 here. That gives you a 4 here because of the 6. Wow, that gives you a 4 here in this cell. So 9 is also eliminated from this cell, 6 is also eliminated. So you have a 5 8 here and a 4 9 pair, so 6 is also eliminated, right? Yeah, so 7 is eliminated from this cell now. 1 is also eliminated, so this becomes 5, this becomes 3, that becomes 1 3 and 5. Okay, now this Sudoku is actually getting solved here. All of these cannot be 5, this cannot be 3. 9 would have to be in one of these two cells, so both of these cells cannot be 9. 1 7 and 8. Oh, have I done some mistake here? Okay, this seems to be somewhere I have done a mistake here. Okay, let's see, let's go back a little bit and let's see what a mistake we have done here. 3 cannot be here, so this would have to be a 5 here. That gives you a 3 here. Oh, you have a 9 here and 9 here as well. You have done some mistake here. How we got a 9 here? 2 and 9 would have to be in one of these two cells. So this becomes a 9 and this becomes a 2. You have 1 and 8 here. 9 would have to be in one of these two cells, right? So that eliminates 9 from these two cells. I think we did a mistake here in particular. So these becomes 1 and 8, right? That becomes 3 here. You cannot have a 2 here and cannot have a 3 here. You have 1 5 pair, 1 8, and this has to be a 7. That gives you a 5 and 7 here. So 1 7, this would have to be 5 and 3. That gives you 1 and 5. Okay. And 1 8 and 9, right? So this becomes a 9, 1 and 8, right? So this becomes an 8 and 1. Okay. 4 5 8 9, right? 5 and 9 would have to be here. So 9 and 5, 4 and 8. Okay. Yeah, I think so. We have done now. This is 4. That becomes a 9 here. That becomes a 4 here and a 9 here. Right? Okay. So we have done some mistake here, guys. That has to be something that we are unable to see. This becomes a 4. That becomes a 9. This becomes a 4 here. How did we place this 7 and 9 then? Let us see. I'm extremely sorry for the Sudoku here. How did we place 7 and 9 here? Oh, you can still have a 7 here. Guys, come on. That was really bad. Oh, thank God. That was really, really bad. Now let us see if we can... I just, remove the 7 possibility here from here, and that actually broke the Sudoku. What a bad luck this was, guys. And if you see here, that eliminates 9 from this cell and 2 from this cell. You have a 1 8 here, 9 here. This has to be 6, and these two cells are 1 and 8 now. I think so this should be done now, and these two cells are 2 and 9. That was really bad doing such silly mistakes here. And I think so I was in a hurry to complete this gorgeous Sudoku. Okay, for 2 cannot be here, 2 cannot be here. So you have 1 3 5 7 and 9. That becomes an 8 here, and 1 3 5, this becomes a 2. So that gives you a 9 and a 2 here. That gives you a 7 and a 9 here. Yeah, we got a 9 previously, right? And now we have a 7. So this is what we didn't see, and there was a mistake here. And now 3 in this box would have to be here in this column, I'm sorry. So that eliminates 3 from this cell. You have a 1 5 pair, you have a 1 8 here. Okay, so now it seems to be perfect. This becomes 4, this becomes 6, and you have a 4 here. You have 8 9 4 8, no, 5 8 9, right? So this becomes 9, this becomes 5 and 8. Okay, and 1 7, so this becomes 5, this becomes 1 and 5. That gives you a 3 here, and 7 would have to be in these two cells. So this is a 7, that gives you a 5 and a 7. That gives you 8 and a 5 here. That gives you 1 8 1, and these two digits are 8 and 9. So this would have to be 9, and this is 8. And with that we complete this gorgeous Sudoku by score. I am extremely sorry score. I had to go back twice and see what mistake I did, and there was a silly mistake that I removed a pencil mark of 7 from this cell. And with that, actually this Sudoku was an excellent Sudoku, a logic that we have never seen before, kind of an extra region Sudoku, and it is really difficult to construct such Sudokus, I would say. Excellent Sudoku. I hope you enjoyed this Sudoku. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.